Well, elsewhere in Montana baseball action, been a tough stretch of weather recently in many parts of the state with a lot of games getting postponed.
Yeah, it's Great Falls. They call it the Electric City. We all know that it could compete with Chicago as the real windy city. Today, the Great Falls Chargers did their game postponed against Billings due to severe winds. Take a look at this.
Hit the music. The Chargers are otherwise having a very strong start to their season this year, currently boasting a 21-9 overall record. Today's game is being rescheduled for a later date in July, but for now, the team took the day off to get ready for their next opponent later in the week. They're coming off a big weekend, having won a tournament in Williston, North Dakota. So on a scale of couldn't have come at a worse time to the guys needed some rest, where does today rank?
It was about 50-50 on the, I know the kids were kind of chomping at the bit to play a little bit, but also the extra day of rest is a good thing for these guys as well. So, but we still got a lot of baseball. We got quite a few games coming up here in the next week and a half. So, hopefully these guys are ready for the long haul.
So next on the schedule for the Chargers, going to be this Thursday the 16th at home, taking on the Bozeman Bucks at 5 o'clock. That game's scheduled to take place inside Centene Stadium. Cool little venue for that one.